Hi guys! Aniq here.
Ali here.
Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we're going to be unboxing the Apple HomePod Mini. So this is the HomePod Mini box.
Yes.
So this is Apple's take on the mini home speaker things.
Yeah.
Yeah, so...
The HomePod from 2018.
So yeah, they first had the HomePod, which was a larger version. This is smaller now and better, as
more features,
we could say, I guess. Yeah. So you guys can see the box, HomePod Mini here, picture of it, picture of the top, another side that says HomePod Mini, and the bottom stuff. So this here, we have it in white. It's
also available in black.
So what this technically is, it's a speaker which has Alexa. Not Alexa, I mean. It's a speaker which has Siri, which I guess you can like tell stuff to do. So let's open it up first.
Here's the HomePod Mini. Let's take this out, and the cable is right here. It's USB-C. We'll put it aside and take this. Okay, that's that. This is a little guide, and this is the power brick.
Okay, so this is the HomePod Mini. It has a mesh like fabric around it. It's white and it feels soft too. Okay, and on the top there's like this glass thing with the plus and minus button, which is the volume buttons. On the bottom there's a sticker. Let's remove that.
Okay.
And Apple logo, and it was it's like the base.
Yeah,
I guess you could say. This comes with a 20 watt brick. Yeah, a 20 watt brick. So this is like a fast one. Braided cable.
And USB-C.
Cool. It's a USB-C braided cable, which I mean is a big
plus.
Cool thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what this is. So let's open it up, Ali.
So it is plugged in. Ooh, so if you guys see, there's this
cool
white light.
Yeah. White
light on the top, which is just moving around.
So this has 360 audio, so audio comes from all around this.
Yeah, it's not like just it comes from here, which some speakers like this only come from one side.
This also connects to your Apple Home app, which that app then connects to all your devices that are compatible with Apple Home. So you might have smart light bulbs, which you can be like turn down living room lights by 10%, so they would become darker. So now we're gonna connect this. So we're back and we got some things figured out. This also needed an update, which we did. Yeah. So to set it up, it was pretty simple. You just hold this there, it recognizes you scan something, and then it tells you to set it up.
Yes.
So when setting it up, there's two options that come. One is voice recognition, and you should turn that on because without it you can't really do anything, like messages and stuff.
And the second one is personal contact. So for that, it's gonna be for sending messages from HomePod Mini
from your contacts.
From your contacts, yeah.
So now, we have two people on the HomePod Mini so far. So it's right now me and my dad. So we have our dad's phone, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, right here. You guys can go check that video out. So we're gonna tell this to send a message from me to my dad's iPhone. So, hey Siri, send a message to Baba.
Okay, Aniq, what do you want to say?
How are you? Testing.
Okay, Aniq, your message to Baba says, how are you? Testing. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
It says the message has been sent.
And we
you see
got
over
a
here,
notification.
iMessage notification. Open up the phone, and what we see here is this. You guys can see the message has been sent. This has a lot of features too. It's very cool. So we're gonna be like using it. And so thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
Remember to subscribe to our channel.
And remember to hit the bell icon.
Bye.